Hey friends, let's do Poison Ivy guitar lesson by Faster Pussycat. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along, and we'll do the solo at the end. So let's make a start. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the E power chord 2 times, F sharp power chord to A power chord, then go to the B and we're going to play that 3 times. To the A power chord, so we have. Then go to a G sharp, we're going to slide up to A and back to G sharp. Then we repeat the E again 2 times, F sharp, A, B, do our slide from G sharp to A again, and then finish on the E. Then we repeat that all again, and we're going to call that riff 1, but we play the F sharp before we get back into it, so. And then repeat it all again. Then we have this little fill, we're going to play 2 on the G and the B and a bend. Then just play 2, G and B, no bend. Open G and B. Second fret on the D, first on the G. Then 5th on the A string, 4th on the D. And then just A, 2, E, 5, 3. So. First riff again. Now it changes a little bit here. We're going to play the E 2 times, the F sharp, the A. This time on the B do 2, and then our G, A, G, and finish on the open E and B. And that's our intro there. And then we have this little slide playing over the top of it as well. So we're just sliding up to 12 on the E string. Then on the G, play 12, slide up to 14. Then go back to 12, go 12, slide up to 14, back to 12. And then just play 12 on the E again. And then on the B, 12, 13, 12. And back to the 12E. Do that 2 times, and then just come up to the 9 on the D and the G. And that's our little fill there. Then from there we have our verse. Let me do that for you. So we're doing the same riff, but we're just playing 2nd fret on the A and the D 2 times, 4th fret A and D, then go to 2nd fret D and G, 4th fret D and G 3 times, 2nd fret D and G, and then just play 1st fret, 2nd fret, 1st fret on the D and the G. And we do that 7 times. Then the 8th time we do the start the same. Finish on the 2 on the D and the G, and then just play an F sharp, G, and then we play the A, 3rd fret E, A 2 more times, 3rd fret E, A, and then do G 2 times. So do that 2 times and finish on an E power chord, A power chord 2 times, D power chord 2 times. And that's guitar 1, then we have guitar 2. Let me play that for you. So we're just playing first fret on the G 2 times, and second fret G, then go to B, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, and then do open, hammer onto 2, pull off the open on the B. Do that 3 times. Then the last one we just played first fret again to the same start, 2 on the B, 3 on the B. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week. You can also make a small donation on my Patreon page, and that really helps me out. So let's get back into it. Then we have the next part, and this is where we're playing the A riff. Let me play that for you. So we're just starting all on the E string, 14, 15, then go 17, 15, 17, 17, 17, 15, 17, 15, and then repeat again from the 17, 17, 15, 17, 17, 17, 15, 17, 15, and then go 17 on the B. And that's our verse there. Then we have our chorus. Let me do that for you. So we're just doing a simple blues pattern. Open E, second fret on the A 2 times, 4 on the A, open E, back to the E power chord. Do that 3 times. Then do a bend on 3rd fret E, back to the E power chord. Then do the same pattern but on the A, so open A, second fret on the D, 3 times. D power chord 2 times. Repeat that 4 times. Then the next one we just play that E riff 4 times, and we've got a second guitar which I'll show you in a minute. Just do that 4 times the riff. 2, 3, 4. Then do our little fill again that we did in the intro, the 2. And from there it's going back to the intro riff again. And we have the second guitar, it's just going to be playing the 12. And we're doing that when we do the blues pattern 4 times. So we have 12 on E and B. That's all it is. Up, 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 down, up. Then we're going to do a little harmony on the little fill. That fill there, we're going to play 5 on the G, do a bend. Then just play 5, 4, and on the D, 5, 4. So then from there we're just going back to riff 1. So and do that with the slide. Then we have the verse, guitar 1 and guitar 2 are exactly the same, and we have this little slide part, the first part of the verse. So we're just starting on the 12th on the B and the E, do 4 times. Then go 12, slide up to 17 on the E. Go to 15, slide up to 19. Back to 12. And then do our 12 again. Then just come back to 11 and 10. That last bit on the B and the E. And from there we go back to the chorus, and that's exactly the same. Then we have the solo rhythm. Now this is pretty easy, and we'll do the solo at the end. So let me talk you through that. We're just going to play the E blues riff that we did before. So do that 4 times. Go to the A riff, do it 2 times. 2. Back to the E riff 2 times. Back to a B riff this time, so 2 and 4, and we're playing 6 on the D, so just do that once, the A riff once. Back to the E riff, we're going to play open E, then play A, B flat, B. So go back to the E riff another 4 times. A riff 2 times. E riff 2 times. Then just go B 3 times, A 3 times, and E. And that's our solo rhythm there. So after that we have a break and we're going back to the chorus, but we're going to start on the A riff and we do that 3 times. D. Then just play the chorus 6 times, and then to finish off we play the E riff again 4 times with our clean. Then we have this little run down to finish off, so let me play that for you. So we're just doing a bend on 2nd fret G, play 2nd fret open, then go to D, 2 open, back to G, open. D 2 times in the 2nd fret, open, 2nd fret A, open D, then A string 2nd fret 2 times, open, 3rd fret E, do a bend and finish on the E power chord. And then we have our solo. Let me play that for you. We're going to play open B and E, 3rd fret B and E, open B and E, 3rd fret, open B and E. So. Then play the open G, hammer onto 2, slide up to 4, 3 on the B, open E, and then play 3 on the B and open E together. So. Then play open G, 3rd fret B, 2nd on the G, 3rd on the B, open G, 3rd on the B. So do the first part again, the open to the 3, open 2, slide up to 4, 3, open, 3 and open. Now just leave off the last one, we have the open and the 3, the 2 and the 3, so slowly. And go 5 on the E, and we're going to play 2 on the B, hammer onto 3, and we keep repeating that 5 times. And play open B, go to G, 2nd fret, bend, pull off to open, so bend and release, 2nd fret D, open E. Then come up G string, 14, bend, release, pull off to 12, 14 D, 12 G. Then we're going to play 7 on the B and the E. Then play 9 on the B, pull off to 7. Play 7 E, 10, pull off to 7 on the B, 7 E, and then 9 and 7. So. And then come back. We're going to do the same thing, 5 on B and E, 7 pull off to 5 on the B, 5 E, 8 pull off to 5 on the B, 5 E, and 7 and 5. So. Then we're coming up to the B string, 15th fret, 2 bends, E, 12, 15, 12, B, 15, E, 12, B, 12. Then we're just doing the standard blues lick. We're going to play 12 on the E, 15 pull off to 12 on the B, bend on 14 G, and then play 12 B. So do that 7 times, then the 8th time we just do 15 pull off to 12 on the B, 14 G, 12 on the B, do a bend and release, pull off to 12 on the G, play 14 on the G, slide up to 16 and get back to 12. So. Then D, 12 hammer onto 14, 12 on the G and do a bend, and play 14 on the D. Then play 15E, do a bend on 17E, 17E, 19 bend, and then just play 19, 18, 17, 20B, 17E, 20B, 17E, 17B. So 3 bends on the 10B, and then bend on the 8B, hold the 5E 3 times, and then just slide up to 12 on the G and the B and do a bend there. And that's all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Poison Ivy Guitar Lesson by Faster Pussycat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.